Bharat Ratna Awards.
Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award of India. This award was instituted in the year 1954. In 1954, Bharat Ratna was given to Sri Rajagopalachari, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and Sir C.V. Raman. In 1955, Bharat Ratna was given to Sri Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya and Sri Jawaharlal Nehru. In 1962, Bharat Ratna was given to Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad. In the year 1966, Lal Bahadur Shastri was awarded Bharat Ratna. Srimati Indira Gandhi received Bharat Ratna in the year 1971. Mother Teresa was awarded Bharat Ratna in the year 1980. In 1983, Vinoba Bhave received Bharat Ratna. In the year 1990, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Nelson Mandela received Bharat Ratna. Rajiv Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Morarji Desai received Bharat Ratna in the year 1991. In the year 1992, Abul Kalam Azad, J.R.D. Tata, and Satyajit Ray received Bharat Ratna. In the year 1997, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam received Bharat Ratna Award. M.S. Subbulakshmi received Bharat Ratna in the year 1998. Amartya Sen, a famous economist, received Bharat Ratna in the year 1999. In the year 2001, Lata Mangeshkar and Bismillah Khan received Bharat Ratna. Sachin Tendulkar, a famous cricketer, received Bharat Ratna in the year 2014. Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Madan Mohan Malaviya awarded Bharat Ratna in the year 2015. In the year 2019, Pranab Mukherjee and Bhupen Hazarika received Bharat Ratna. L.K. Advani, P.V. Narasimha Rao, Charan Singh, M.S. Swaminathan, and Karpuri Thakur received Bharat Ratna in the year 2024.
Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.